I'm going to try something different. Typically my prompts are related to higher education, maybe high school, because that's the domain that I typically work in. But this time I want to try and create an activity designed for small children. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to please create a fun and engaging activity for kids to explore and appreciate Black History Month. The ages of the kids range from kindergarten to 4th grade. So that's interesting. It's having me create a scavenger hunt where I can list famous African Americans around the classroom with flashcards with their names and pictures and build an activity around that. I think that's a really interesting approach, and I don't work with littles much, and so I'm fresh out of ideas, and so any ideas that ChatGPT can throw my way, I would definitely appreciate. Now, out of curiosity, I'm wondering if ChatGPT can redesign this into a bulletin board activity, take the fundamental aspects of this activity and change them. So it looks like it attempted a spin on the original scavenger hunt idea activity and created a bulletin board thing instead. Now let's see if we can please revise this for high school students. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the high school version looks like. And it seems like we're going to be creating a display in a library or a common area and gathering information and pictures of lesser known African Americans who have made significant contributions in their fields of expertise, create posters and brochures for each person and display those. And then we're working with worksheets and digital quizzes and having class discussions, sharing the impact that people had on society. So it seems like higher level cognitive tasks than what we were seeing with the kindergarten through 4th grade class. I think with more prompts I could refine this even more. And this is just one prompt. You could also ask ChatGPT to provide a series of activities, and once you have that list, then you can determine which one of these do I want to elaborate on and explore further. And then once I have this elaboration, once I have an activity and the instructions, the guidelines already determined, I could go about and further dive into this by creating a rubric or an assessment for this activity and perhaps providing feedback for that assessment. There are a lot of options to explore, so have fun with this.